Hello, hi. Just want to show you this beautiful Bird Bay condominium, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Walk in here. Walk in from the door. This is the dining room. Beautiful wooden floors. Nice bar here. Have storage above the bar. This place is very, very well kept, very well managed. Have a little couple of pantries here. And you have a nice little kitchen. Nice, well-maintained appliances. Very well-maintained cabinets. Okay, walking into the hallway, into the guest bathroom. Everything is immaculate here. Have a nice shower. Shower tub combination. No cracked tile, everything's in good shape. You walk in here to this is the master bedroom. This is the walk-in closet. Lots of storage. Very airy and light. Very well lit. And then this is the master bathroom. Has a glass enclosure. This is just the master bedroom. You can put a king in if you like. Nice ceiling fans. Walk into the second bedroom. You could put a king in here if you'd like. And then this has a closet. This has a really big walk-in closet also, with lots of storage. So this is the second bedroom. You can look on the MLS sheet for the square footage. And then this is what's really nice. They have a kind of like a den that really you could even put up a partition if you wanted to make this a third bedroom. This is the living room. And then this is the rest of the living room, which is very nice. And then this really is a super nice screened in patio. Some grilling out here. And then this is the washer and the dryer. And lots of space out here also. This is very, very quiet. Very well maintained. And again, this is the living room. And Bird Bay is famous for all of its amenities. Tennis courts, pools, everything. go back over here to I'll give you one last shot of the place. Okay, thanks so much. Give me a call for a personal tour.